Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at what are misplaced modifiers. Let's get started. A misplaced modifier is a type of modifiers in English. A misplaced modifier is also known as ambiguous modifier. The use of misplaced modifiers is considered to be grammatically incorrect or mistake. Let's dive into the misplaced modifiers, how it is used, why it is considered to be a common mistake, and how to fix misplaced modifiers and help you understand how to avoid misplaced modifiers. This video covers what are misplaced modifiers, why is a misplaced modifier a mistake, and the difference among misplaced, squinting, and dangling modifiers. What are misplaced modifiers? Before you learn what a misplaced modifier is, learn what a modifier is. In simple language, a modifier is a word, phrase, or clause that gives us information about another word or phrases in a sentence. Adjectives, adverbs, or words, phrases, or clauses which act as adjectives or adverbs can be used to add additional information about other words in a sentence. Therefore, they come under the grammatical category of modifier. Modifiers are used either directly before the words or phrases they modify or after them. The placement of modifiers is essential because if not placed correctly, the modifiers can spoil the intended meaning of a sentence. For example, this is wrong. My brother went to see the doctor with loose motion. And this is right. My brother with loose motion went to see the doctor. When a modifier is placed in a wrong position in a sentence, it is known as misplaced modifier. You can see in the example above that the modifying phrase with loose motion is put far away from the word brother, which it modifies. Let's dive into the definition and types of misplaced modifiers along with example sentences and how they can be corrected with a little effort. What is the definition of a misplaced modifier? A misplaced modifier is a type of modifier which is very far away from the word or phrase which it modifies or describes or gives additional information about, leading to an unintended meaning because of its wrong placement in a sentence. Misplaced modifiers are considered to be grammatically incorrect because they change the intended meaning of the sentence. Example, this is wrong. She almost drove her kids to school every day. She almost drove her kids to school every day. This is a misplaced modifier. This is correct. She drove her kids to school almost every day. She drove her kids to school almost every day. This is rightly placed. The highlighted word almost is placed incorrectly in the first example, which suggests that she nearly drove her kids to school but did not do so. However, the intended meaning is she drove her kids to school almost every day, with exception for 1 or 2 days. Types of misplaced modifier: adjectives, adverbs, phrases, or clauses which give additional information about another word or phrase in a sentence can be placed incorrectly away from the words which they modify. Therefore, there are several types of misplaced modifiers. Here are the most common types. Number 1, misplaced adjectives. Adjectives modify nouns or pronouns. If adjectives are placed incorrectly away from the words they describe, then they are considered to be misplaced adjectives. To correct this type of error, you need to make sure that you place them as close to the words they modify as possible. Examples: this is wrong. I found a red woman's ring. I found a red woman's ring. This is a misplaced. Right? I found a woman's red ring. I found a woman's red ring. This is correctly placed. Number 2, misplaced adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or another adverbs. If they are improperly separated from the words they modify, they will be considered to be misplaced adverbs. To correct this type of mistake, you need to put the modifying adverbs near the verbs, adjectives, or another adverbs. Examples: wrong. He almost drove his car for a week. He almost drove his car for a week. So, almost here is misplaced. And this is right. He drove his car for almost a week. He drove his car for almost a week. So, this is correctly placed. Number 3, misplaced phrases. A phrase is a group of words that can act as an adjective or adverb and modify nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, or another adverbs. If a phrase is placed far away from the word it modifies, it will be a misplaced phrase. To correct such error, you need to put it close to the word it modifies. Examples: this is wrong. I saw an eagle with binoculars. Misplaced. And this is right. Using binoculars, I saw an eagle. Using binoculars, I saw an eagle. And this is correctly placed. Number 4, misplaced clauses. Clauses are the group of words that contains a subject and predicate. Clauses can modify other elements in a sentence by means of giving more information about them. If you put the clauses far away from the word it modifies, it will be wrongly positioned and misplaced. To correct this type of errors, you need to position it correctly near the word it modifies. Examples. This is wrong. The waiter served a dish to the man that was extremely hot. Misplaced. The waiter served a dish to the man that was extremely hot. This is wrong. The waiter served a dish that was extremely hot to the man, and this is correctly placed. The waiter served a dish that was extremely hot to the man. Difference among misplaced, squinting, and dangling modifiers. There are several types of modifiers in English grammar which are considered to be grammatically incorrect. Some of them are misplaced, squinting, and dangling modifiers. Let's look at the differences among these three types of modifiers. What is a misplaced modifier? A misplaced modifier is a type of modifier in English that is used far away from the word or phrase it modifies. Misplaced modifiers can be corrected by changing their positions in a sentence. Examples. This is wrong. John ate the breakfast that he had brought slowly. John ate the breakfast that he had brought slowly. And this is right. Correct. John slowly ate the breakfast that he had brought. John slowly ate the breakfast that he had brought. What is a squinting modifier? A squinting modifier is a type of misplaced modifier that is used in such a position in a sentence that it modifies the word or phrase before or after it. Squinting modifiers can be corrected by putting them on the right place. Examples. Ambiguous. Saying words quickly causes trouble in understanding. Saying words quickly causes trouble in understanding. This is clear. Quickly saying words causes trouble in understanding. Quickly saying words causes trouble in understanding. What is a dangling modifier? A dangling modifier is a type of modifier whose modified word is not present in the sentence, which is why the dangling modifier hangs up without its modified word. This type of modifier can be corrected by using the modified word in the sentence. Examples. This is wrong. Running to the train, the bag dropped. Running to the train, the bag dropped. And this is right or correct. Running to the train, he dropped the bag. Running to the train, he dropped the bag. So there you go guys, this video ends here about what are misplaced modifiers. Thanks for watching.